Here's a mini session. It's sort of part 2 of our basic cooking tips that we did, but for the things that might be a little more challenging so you can work smarter and not harder. For that, we're going to do outside and have Jim explain. So you're going to do this step if necessary. You've had a severe burn or you've had some built up oil along the outsides or the bottom from your oils that are in your gas burners, or maybe you fried in here and you've gotten that splattering, or the natural healthy fats for your meats maybe splattered on. We do that healthy fried chicken all the time, so this tends to happen on our EOC after several cooking shows, and this will have it coming back like spanking new from the factory. You're going to love how easy it is. You will want to wear gloves, but let's see our tips with Jim.
Okay, so we're going to show you how to clean the outside of a piece of cookware that's been stained. Now take a close look. Hopefully you can see the runnings down. It's like an orangish color. Okay, so we don't want that oil on here. So what we're going to do is we're going to set down about 5 pieces of newspaper. We're going to turn this upside down, and we'll do the lid too. And all we have to do is turn this counterclockwise, remove the knob. Those of you who have the newer knobs, it comes off as one piece. Okay, so now we set them down and we get some Easy Off oven cleaner. Don't use the fume-free one because that just means there's less lye in it, and lye is the active ingredient that's going to get it clean. So you shake it and you go ahead and you spray. Make sure it stays upright. You spray the unit, press the lid, and now the bottom. And what you're going to want to do is keep this like this for 2 hours or so. And if you have to, you can do that overnight. And just let it sit, it'll dry. When you're done, we'll just pick it up and rinse it off with hot soapy, just hot water and a sponge, and it'll be like brand new. Okay, so it's been a little over 2 hours. So what we're going to do is we're going to, of course, wear gloves and bring these to the sink. Okay, and now, as you can see, this was the side that had the oil or grease streaks, and so I just wipe it away, and look how shiny that is. You can do this too. So now that we've dried our cookware, we just put the knobs back on, and we're ready to cook. And don't forget, if you need help, we're only a phone call away.